setup described presents several hazards. Firstly, there is an electrical shock hazard. The light fixture shell can become energized with 120 volts when one of the three-way switches is in the up position, even if the fixture is turned off from the other switch. This presents a shock hazard to anyone who touches the fixture. Secondly, there's a fire hazard. The polarity reversal that happens when the three-way switch is flipped can lead to arcing and overheating of the light bulb and the fixture itself. This overheating is a major potential fire hazard. Thirdly, there's the risk of damage to electrical devices. The fluctuating voltage experienced in this scenario can damage the light bulbs themselves and potentially any other electrical devices connected to the affected circuit. Let's discuss the explanation of the underlying problem. In a typical, correctly wired three-way switch setup, each switch has a common terminal which is connected to the light fixture, and also traveler terminals which are connected to the corresponding traveler terminals on the other three-way switch. However, in this case, both three-way switches have their traveler terminals connected to each other. The common terminal of each three-way switch is erroneously connected to a different circuit. And crucially, the light fixture is connected to only one common terminal via a single wire. This misconfiguration results in the following behavior. When both three-way switches are in the up position, the light can receive 240 volts, which is phase-to-phase voltage coming from the two different circuits. When one of the three-way switches is in the up position and the other is in the down position, the light receives 120 volts from one circuit, but importantly, the polarity reverses when a switch is flipped. As for what to tell the homeowner, it is vital to firstly inform the homeowner about the serious hazards associated with this miswired three-way switch setup. Explain to them that the setup is not up to code and it presents a very real risk to their safety. Recommend that they hire a qualified electrician immediately to rewire the three-way switch circuit correctly and bring it up to code. Now let's discuss the recommended fix. The correct wiring for a three-way switch circuit is as follows. Each three-way switch must have a common terminal that is properly connected to the light fixture. Each three-way switch must have two traveler terminals, and each one must be connected to the corresponding traveler terminals of the other three-way switch. Feed from the circuit breaker panel should be connected to the common terminal of one of the three-way switches. The light fixture should be connected to the common terminal of the other three-way switch. This correct configuration ensures that the light fixture receives the correct 120 volts and maintains the correct polarity regardless of the positions of the three-way switches.